Like if you want to learn anything, if you want to achieve anything, you must have to do work hard. Without work hard, you can't achieve anything. I want you to every day. You are coming here for learning English. You are coming here for speaking. So if you speak every day, with consistency, so you can learn. You will become a great speaker. You will become a good speaker. If you avoid speaking, like many children comes, but they do not speak. If I tell them to speak, they hesitate. Even if I tell them to come and speak, they avoid. They feel uncomfortable. If you try, you succeed. So whenever you get opportunity to speak, never miss the opportunity. That is what I want to tell you.
Apart from that, like there is something very profound I need to convey, and that is, I think many of you are not familiar. Let me familiarize you with that. Like we all three, we did not used to speak English, and we were less capable than you. Like many of you, I can proclaim that everyone who is sitting here, like you are able to make sentences, but Alhamdulillah, we were more miserable than you. Miserable एक word है, इसको उर्दू में हम बोलते हैं बदतर बोलते हैं, और एक ऑफेंसिव भी वर्ड है, मैं बोलूँगा मैं तो बदतर थी हमारी हालत. We were worse. We didn't know how to make a sentence, but mashallah, after coming here, when Atif sir did not used to teach in the evening batches. When he started, I was among them. Like there were 12 students in the very first batch. I was one of them. Then Alhamdulillah, we learned. Like then Mujahid sir came, then Ashfaq sir came. Mashallah, everyone became capable. Everyone became trainer. We have no problem if someone comes and becomes trainer. Believe me, we are happy and we are proud for that. Believe me, if you are ready to learn things quickly in a jiffy, precipitously, like you will be taught each and everything, whatever we know. We are ready to teach you whatever we know. We are happy and we will be happy to see you like us. If you become like us, if you catch our colors, and if you become a capable and a competent trainer, no one will be more than happier than us. So we want you to become a trainer, but if you are not coming with perseverance regularly, if you are not completing your homework, it is no use coming to the institute. Apart from that, as Ashfaq sir mentions that writing and practicing is always crucial and important, significant. But apart from that, we must describe at least one story every day. If you did not get time to memorize the story, if you did not get time to learn any story by heart, then do a thing. Just read a story once, twice, then try to describe it on your own words. What happens? We get contextual vocabulary in stories. Like there are plenty of stories. Like if you are looking at my vocabulary, tell me honestly, how is my vocabulary? When I speak, I say same sentence in different ways. I convey the message in a wide range of sentences. So, how did it happen? And why are you not able to do that? Because I read many stories, I learned many stories by heart, and I memorized many stories. So what happened in stories? You will get contextual vocabulary. Like जैसे ही उसके पैसे गुम गए वो हैरान हो गया. अब जैसे ही को हम हमारी लैंग्वेज में बोलते ही नहीं. अब ये स्टोरी में आता है. As soon as he lost his money, he became worried, he became anxious. अब ये contextual जो है ना, ये जो सेंस है हमारा, वो स्टोरीज में बेहतर काम करता है. So by memorizing the stories, believe me, you can become capable than others. You can become unlike others. You can become one in a million. A man is known by the language he speaks. So you must work hard.